But after 4 hours, it's so different. I cannot pick one because, oh my god, why are you here? What is up, everybody? This is CYoung in you. Welcome back to my channel. So, you guys, stop buying what everybody's already all using. Do you guys really think most popular product equal as amazing? Then what about least popular product? Not that good? So in today's video, I just go to the CYoung global website and just click the most popular and scroll down all the way to down and find the least popular guy, and I did half skincare and makeup. So this baby is most popular guy and this baby is a least popular guy, and I was like so surprised. Why are you here at least popular? It's actually super one of my favorite guy, okay? Please watch this video until the end. So much juicy stuff is coming. Before we start, don't forget to hype me, like me, subscribe, put the notification bell so don't miss out my new video. It's the easiest way to support me. Thank you so much. 감사합니다. Okay, and anybody tried it, any of these products, please share your skin type and how was it so we can help each other in the CYoung community. Ready? Let's get started. So, starting from A, the popular Mediheal toner pad versus Yada Cactus toner pads. A few years ago, I tried it before, but I think it's not that popular at global market. So both great. Both are great. I cannot pick one because it's actually different. So if I compare, so which means actually the least popular guy is also really good. Try it out. But let's say Mediheal toner pad, this is Mediheal and this is Yada. So this is like square and this is a circle. And Mediheal is definitely much thin. So if you like to just try it to like wipe it out, use it more like a like in the morning. Like if you don't have to wipe it out anything on your face, you just want it to like just give some collagen on your face and then put it here like a small sheet mask. This one totally works well. But let's say I have makeup on today and then even though I did the cleansing, I still feel my mascara is a little bit there. So if you want little bit cleansing and using like a toner, this is a lot better because it's a little thick. And can you see my like some eyeshadow just left over, just put it there. So it's great and more versatile because you can, you know, makeup wearers, we understand, even though we did some cleansing, still you have a little panda down there, then this is gonna be the great. And I feel Mediheal has some strong scent because collagen does, 바데카소사이 does, so some guys or some people doesn't like that. My husband too, but there's no scent at all. Recommended for those sensitive to fragrance. Also love that it comes with 5 free portable pads. I love it too. So Yada, anybody using toner pad also as like a makeup remover pad, try out. Great, good job. And toner, most popular toner, Anua toner, you guys all know. And Isoe Acne toner was actually the least popular. Actually in toner section, the least popular product was different brand, but that was for the guy brand. So I just skip it because it kind of understand because it's guy's brand, like not that much like needs. So I just picked this. Let's talk price first. Isoe, not budget. 90 milliliters, $29. Anua, 700 milliliters, $32. That's 7 times more expensive per milliliter. 7 times hard pass. Isoe is known for their dark spot serum, but can't tell it works. This toner made for acne-prone skin. Watery, slightly slippery. But if you're oily, Anua feels way cleaner. No drama, no controversy. And remember, toner is just the appetizer. It preps your skin. That's it. Save your money. And at Essence Serum, This is definitely, do you know the Anua, the red Serum baby? I don't know. I didn't do anything else. The color become darker. This baby. And this was at the Serum section. So Rovectin Essence. This was at least popular. So I think these two also a little different. As you can see with the texture, definitely this one named the Essence, but you can think this is more like a Haru Wonder toner. It's like hyaluronic, little thick toner. So this is pretty good too. But Anua, let's say Anua, I didn't see my dark spot fading out because I don't have dark spots. But I see many reviews, people are saying this. And in a serum wise, this one does pretty damn good job because it's not just like a water, it just makes your skin more hydrated inside too. So I would say I won't repurchase it, but they do their job, so it's okay. And this Rovectin brand, also I tried it, their moisturizer cream. That one was pretty good too. And I think maybe less marketing or something like that, because I think if you guys are oily, if you guys are dry, mature skin and love to layer toner like 2 times or 3 times and love the product, makes it a little tacky, this is pretty good because it stays remaining hyaluronic acid. But one thing I wanted to say is you can feel it's a hyaluronic acid because it doesn't go inside your skin that quickly. So you can keep that in mind. And moisturizer, of course, Dr. Althea 345 moisturizer and PGOGel facial lotion. OMG, you know what? This is in Korean olive oil, one of like the really high ranking bestseller, I think because of the marketing. But definitely between these two, I would just gonna pick, if I have to pick, this definitely. Because texture-wise, of course, they named it as a lotion, so it's more watery. I feel a lot better for the oily combo skin. For dry, mature skin girly, this is just too light. So in that wise, I don't feel this is that effective. I think still oily combo skin, you guys can try this and just work their job as a moisturizer. So this one, a lot better. So 345, this is a lot better. And sunscreen wise, the Beauty of Joseon, super popular guy versus Care Zone Day and Family Sunscreen. Even though I always make the fun of it with their Beauty of Joseon like name, because for Koreans, if you hear it, like, what does that mean? It sounds so ancient. Is that from North Korea? But can you see I use it this much? I love this sunscreen. It's amazing, well-made sunscreen. And whenever I have my business, I have to do the makeup outside, I always put this in my makeup bag because it's handy. It's small, easy to carry on. So I love it. Why not? Affordable. And they named it as a day and family sunscreen, but if I apply this, it has a little white cast. So I don't think I'm gonna use this. And family sunscreen, not yet for me. So I would just gonna go with a more popular. This or Round Lab is a lot better than this. So sorry. And next, the juicy things is coming. So popular, number 1 popular globally, definitely Tiru Tiru Red Cushion. And wow, can you see the least popular product was OMG, what's going on? CMP Propolis Cushion. This is the year I'm doing makeup. I'm doing K-beauty makeup class to my students for 10 years. And my student, like 7 years ago, I recommend this because it's amazing. And I still surprised, still they are remaining. They released this one. And I tried it, like, I haven't used it for a while. I tried it. It's great. If you have a dry, mature skin and looking for the affordable cushion, which just go more moisturizing, try this. It's great. So if I'm gonna pick this Underdog is amazing. But I agree because I get little, like some spots, pimple here, and I didn't use any concealer, but this Tiru covered everything else. So definitely if you're oily combo girly and living in the tropical weather or living in like summer, which is like so sweaty, and you just want long lasting cushion foundation, this is it. Both are shade 21. Right after application, they look pretty similar, but after 4 hours, it's so different. Tiru gets significantly darker over time. If you're planning to buy it, go at least 2 shades lighter than your usual. As it darkens, it also emphasizes pores more. I would recommend it mainly for oily or combo skin. The CMP cushion has a slight cooling sensation on application, but it doesn't stay super dewy throughout the day. So good skincare prep is key. It has decent staying power and minimal darkening. I recommend it for most skin types except very oily. Underdog wins. And today's eyeshadow. Actually, number one products here is definitely Wake Make, because it's made in CYoung brand and the pink color. And oh my god, why are you here, Tinto? I used the other color in my class, which means it's one of my holy grail. But I just confused, so I did makeup with this part as this, and this part as a Wake Make. So this is of course different. The color wise, if you can see, this is more like a baby pink, better for similar skin or fair, brighter skin than me, a lot better, because even the brown is like bright, not that dark. And this better for similar skin tone or a little more darker complexion, because a lot more pigmented. But my pick is gonna be definitely Tinto. I think this is all because of the marketing. It's amazing. And I just don't think you guys need this much eyeshadow. You're not gonna use all, right? So definitely you can finish all your amazing makeup with only this, no problem at all. And try it out, try it out. That's great. They have various colors. But this was number one color sold in Korea, so I just bought this. Love it. Try it. No, not this. And blush. OMG, why are you baby here? Lily by Red was at the least popular product at Olivia Global, and this definitely, you know, so popular. Both applied using their best-selling shade. Same brush on purpose. Tapped it on like pressing powder into the skin. Peri Peri hits harder. More pigment, more matte. Lily by Red is softer, more natural. Subtle shimmer equals luxe glow. And the Underdog wins. If you love powder blush, you need this. It's gonna be the lip color. So definitely number one. At CYoung, the most sold color is Roman Bear Grape. So that was my base color. And OMG, do you guys see? This was actually a lot popular like 6-7 years ago. And it's, can you see? I just removed it with my micellar water, but it's still there. It's a lip stain. It's like a bloody red. So I think if you guys are looking for the swimming pool tint, like you're gonna be at the water sports, if you want really long lasting bloody baby, this is it. But I think it's a little bit outdated. So but I tried it inside, so it's okay, it's okay. Even though I talk a lot, still red in there. So but definitely Roman, I'm not a fan of their scent, but very affordable color in the Asian, this kind of like mauvey, they make it amazing. But if you only use this, lip outline doesn't look that clean. So I used the hard percent lip liner, lip pencil, and it's just amazing combo. How was it? I had the best time at the FL Commerce Pharmacy event in Iksan-dong. This place is a beauty heaven. They have everything from French skincare to K-beauty. Chatting with all the lovely influencers over French food, I honestly felt like I was already in Paris. Just pure fun. I even got to try their brand new chocolates. Aren't they the cutest? I'm still testing that silky facial oil and Brad Pitt's hand cream for you. Stay tuned for the real gems. Did you guys enjoy it? Hope this video helped you guys editing your cart. And anything you guys wanted to see at the next video, please put it at the comment. Thank you so much for coming this time too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. 안녕!